going on, guys? We're back. I know it's been a while, but we're in our new fishing boat. I forgot to update the whole channel. Back when we went and bought this, we started doing new flooring, but we wanted to go fishing today. So we're gonna try for some bass. We're in about 6 feet of water. We're gonna give it a shot. Got Nick.
Whoa.
And yeah, we're gonna try some fishing and we'll see what happens. We've been driving around for about an hour. Nick's learning how to use a bait caster. But we were over there. That's the ultimate spot to go, but it's like 5-foot waves. So we're gonna try here. Fishbrain says it's about 8 feet of water. Well, I figured this would be a good time to give you guys a full tour of our new fishing vessel. We got the front where Nick's fishing. There's a hatch that's underneath there. We have a live well here. It's full of water, no fish so far. And then the captain's chair where I sit. We got 2 fish finders. We got one in the front and then one here. We only have a 35 horse motor. If you've seen the short on our TikTok, I'll probably post it to YouTube also. But we got a 35 horse motor, 30-pound thrust trolling motor, some rod holders. We are starting to put new flooring in, so it's not the prettiest right now, but I really like this deck flooring. We're out on the Lake Champlain today. Beautiful day. There's something on fire over there. Not sure what it is, but that's Vermont. Vermonters
At it again.
Vermont's at it again. But we're enjoying this beautiful afternoon. It's about 70 degrees. We're in about 5 feet of water. Water's 75 degrees. But we're probably gonna try this spot, and then we're gonna go try one more spot. But yeah, so I wanted to do an official boat tour for you. It's not much, but it gets the job done for us. And I want to put a windshield here also, but it's a mess right now.
Someone's going after it.
Nick thinks he knows how to fish.
He thinks we know how to captain, so
Huh?
I guess we're both winning.
I'm a captain. I'm the only one with a boater's license here.
Oh. Call me a pirate.
Beautiful afternoon.
That's really good fishing weather.
I might put this at the beginning of the video. We've been fishing for a couple hours already. We were over there, but the waves are about 5 feet. Wind's coming out of the north, so it's hitting us pretty rough. It's pretty calm over here though. But yeah, so this is our new fishing boat. We're still trying to come up with a name. So comment below if you know of a good boat name. We want something kind of fishing related, but at the same time it has to be funny. Nick's got weeds. But yeah, sorry we haven't really posted much. It's just been busy. Yeah, so
What kind of worm you think would be best?
I would put a
Actually, I know what I want.
Nick caught the first fish of the day.
I mean, look at this big fish. It's massive. Oh, he tried to inhale it. He took all 3. Let's see what he's got here.
That's a big fish. Grab the net. Grab the net. Grab the net. Well, keep recording, but grab the net.
Okay. Come on, fish. I'm gonna swap hands here. Oh my. We caught a fish.
Not very big, but
Not huge, but it's fish.
oh, you just off the hook. No, you didn't.
Nice. Smallmouth?
Mm-hmm.
Smallmouth. Okay. There we go.
Okay, on to the next.
Mm-hmm.
Fish on?
No, maybe not.
Weeds. You're using something that dives.
Yeah, no.
Just gonna let that sit there for a minute. Some shots of you. You're in the weeds.
I don't want to use top water because top water ain't working now.
Yeah, we're gonna move.
Shit.
Just so you know the camera's on you.
That's okay. Well,
Okay, guys, we're gonna move. If you want to pull that anchor up, you guys want to see something really entertaining.
oh yeah, entertaining.
Watching Nick pull an anchor up,
Why is that entertaining?
because it will be.
Why?
I don't know. Let me just believe, okay? Beautiful afternoon.
Yeah. Bird.
Moving to our next spot. Oh, hey, look, a rock. Or is that a brick? That's actually kind of cool.